first met Rachel in a school fete. My first impression was, well, I got asked to approach her by her friends, so I invited her to the family learning, and she told me, not so politely, to go away. So I thought, well, fair enough, it's not for everybody.
Karen came up to me, asked me about family learning, and my first response was, I don't want to know, I don't want to go, leave me alone. And then after a while, Bethany was about 4, and I realised I needed to go to classes for her sake, as well as my own. I had dyslexia, and I didn't want her going through what I went through, not being able to read. So I wanted to learn for her, and I also got more encouragement from my dad before he died to be pushed to go back to school for my child's sake.
I would say very much her dad was the driving force in trying to get Rachel to come along to the centre, and working with Karen and myself, we managed to convince Rachel to attend the centre, and things have developed from there.
She was quite quiet in the classes to start with, but she's gone from being quiet, she's gone from not maybe recognising all the letters of the alphabet to reading beginning texts, and she's actually sending on her mobile phone texts, and she's reading texts that she's received. So it's opened up a new world to her.
Well, when I went to school and she went to school, she couldn't read, so I'm helping her to read. She's really good at math and she won't try to read. I'm helping her.
Rachel, keep up the good work. There's no excuses now. You can go on and achieve whatever you want to.
Rachel, I nominated you because I just think you're amazing at what you're doing in classes at the moment. I know, Rachel, you tell me on a weekly basis you don't like me. I don't believe you, and I just want to say a huge congratulations.
I was a bit shocked that Karen nominated me, but I'm happy because it proves to people that you can go back to family learning and learn. There's no such thing as can't anymore.
Mum, you're really good at reading. Well done, Mum.